इंग्लिश लिसनिंग प्रैक्टिस में आज हम सुनेंगे एक न्यू स्टोरी। ये स्टोरी इंग्लिश में होगी, आपको इसे सुनना है और फिर टेस्ट देना है, जिससे पता चलेगा कि आप कितने अच्छे से सुन पाए, समझ पाए। ये स्टोरी आपके सामने इंग्लिश में लिखी भी आएगी और ऑडियो में सुनाई भी जाएगी, ताकि आपकी रीडिंग प्रैक्टिस और लिसनिंग प्रैक्टिस दोनों हो सकें। लेकिन टेस्ट से पहले ये स्क्रीन से हटा दी जाएगी, सो आपको स्टोरी बहुत ध्यान से सुननी है। इस वीडियो के एंड में आपको टेस्ट के आंसर्स मिल जाएंगे, सो मुझे कमेंट्स में बताना कि आपके कितने आंसर्स करेक्ट हुए। तो देखते हैं आज की स्टोरी।
There lived two brothers near a forest. The elder one was very mean to the younger brother. He would finish all the food and wear all the new clothes of his younger brother. One day, the elder brother decided to go into the forest to get some firewood and sell it in the market. As he went around chopping tree after tree, he stumbled upon a magical tree. The tree said, "Oh, kind sir, please do not cut my branches. If you spare me, I will give you golden apples." He agreed, but was left disappointed with the number of apples the tree gave him. As greed overcame him, he threatened the tree that he would cut the entire trunk if it didn't give him more apples. The magical tree instead showered the elder brother with hundreds of tiny needles, piercing his body. The elder brother lay on the ground, crying in pain as the sun set. The younger brother was worried, so he went in search of his elder brother. He found him lying in pain near the tree, with hundreds of needles piercing his body. He rushed to his brother and removed each needle lovingly and gently. After he was done, the elder brother apologized for treating him badly and promised to be better. The tree saw the change in the elder brother's heart and gave them all the golden apples they would ever need.
सो ये थी हमारी इंग्लिश स्टोरी और अब शुरू करते हैं टेस्ट।
The elder brother was dash to his younger brother. A. Good. B. Mean. C. Happy. D. Angry. He would dash all the food of his younger brother. A. Finish. B. Sell. C. Buy. D. Throw. What did the elder brother decide to do? A. Go into the forest to get some firewood. B. Take every piece of cloth of his brother. C. Steal his brother's money. D. None of these. Did the elder brother come across a magical tree in the forest? A. Yes. B. No. C. Probably. D. I am not sure. The tree said, "Oh, kind sir, please do not dash my branches." A. Steal. B. Burn. C. Cut. D. None of these. What would the tree give the elder brother if he was spared? A. Golden branches. B. Golden mangoes. C. Golden apples. D. Golden grapes. What did the tree do to the elder brother when he became greedy? A. It pierced his body with needles. B. It gave him more golden apples. C. It killed the elder brother. D. None of these. What did the younger brother do when he found his brother? A. He removed each needle lovingly and gently. B. He left him in bad condition. C. He called a doctor. D. He took his brother to hospital. Did the elder brother apologize to his younger brother for his actions? A. Probably. B. No. C. Who knows? D. Certainly. What did the tree give the brothers in the end? A. Golden leaves. B. Golden branches. C. Golden mangoes. D. Golden apples.
अब बारी है आंसर्स की, लेकिन आंसर्स देखने से पहले मैं आपको बता दूं कि अगर आप बिल्कुल शुरू से इंग्लिश सीखना चाहते हैं, सारे ग्रामर कॉन्सेप्ट्स को इजीली अंडरस्टैंड करना चाहते हैं, तो मेरा फुल स्पोकन इंग्लिश कोर्स ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। उसमें मैंने बहुत ही मजेदार तरीके से एक वेब सीरीज की तरह इंग्लिश सिखाई है। हंसते हंसाते आपको इंग्लिश बोलनी आ जाएगी। इसमें आपको मिलेंगे 60 से ज्यादा वीडियो लेसन्स, नोट्स मिलेंगे, क्विजेस मिलेंगे, प्रैक्टिस ग्रुप होगा जिसमें स्टूडेंट्स ऑडियो और टेक्स्ट मैसेजेस में प्रैक्टिस करते हैं और कोर्स कंप्लीट होने के बाद सर्टिफिकेट भी मिलेगा। इसे ज्वाइन करने का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है या फिर आप awwalenglish.com पर भी जा सकते हैं। अगर होना है सफल तो फॉलो अव्वल।